Hello everybody, I'm Sneha Ogle. Today we are going to look at WizIQ as an LMS platform. So in the Google search window, I shall type WizIQ. Clicking on this gives us to the link WizIQ Virtual Classroom and Learning Management System software. Clicking on this will take us to the home page of WizIQ. Now this is a paid website. It will give us three options. We can pay as individual teachers, so under the professional option, or for colleges, universities, corporate trainers, etc., we can use the enterprise option, or we can pay per use, a per minute pricing option. We are thankful to Dr. Nelly Deutsch for providing us with the Integrating Technology Organization account. So I can now log in to that organization account. Now while creating a course, I shall click the plus button. I can either create a scheduled course or a self-paced course. So just now I shall go first to the left top corner. Here I'll get a drop down menu. So in the library section we can upload some files. In this section for courses we can create courses. We can upload tests. We can take live classes. Now if we see at the bottom, we will see our name. We should ensure that we are logged in as instructors, and we can update our profiles over here. Now for scheduling a live class, we'll click on live classes. One live class called My Class is already scheduled. I shall create a live class by clicking on this icon. Over here, I can give the title that I want to have for my class. I can have a subtitle if required. I can set the date for launching as well as the time. So suppose I want to launch it on 1st of May. I shall click on that. Now we have to ensure that the time zone is as per our time zone, which is Indian Standard Time over here. I may want to schedule it at 12 noon. It should go as PM. The minutes should be 0. You can give a description about the class. wish to teach TY BSc students microbiology. Now, regarding who can attend the class, I would like to specify only to the users I enroll. There's another option for all visitors and registered users of the academy. Do I wish to record the class? No, not at the moment. I can upload from my desktop a class logo and assign it. Now there's a maximum of 300 minutes and a minimum of 30 minutes that I can be allocated for a live session. So I shall give the class duration of 60 minutes. Maximum attendees are 300. I can select the language of instruction. I can add co-instructors for the class. So I will click on schedule and continue. Now this class has been created. I should refresh the page to see this class created, microbiology. Now, once the date and time have been reached, I can launch the class. If I want to edit any of the details that I just entered, I can edit the class. And if I want, I could view the class. So thank you.